Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4, watching the weather. Writer is J.M. Branson, and in this chapter two children, June and John, have been asking their father a lot of questions about the weather. He is a pilot on an aircraft belonging to a big airline, and so he is able to explain. After reading this chapter, you'll see that their father has explained to them that what is an air, what is a wind through different experiments. This chapter is very interesting and it is also very informative. Okay, read this chapter carefully and you will have lot of information about the air and the wind. Now we come to the exercises. Exercise A is which of these statements are true and which are untrue, and it is on page number 18 of your textbook. After reading this chapter, you will be able to solve this exercise. After this, we are going to have question answers. You are going to have 5 questions and you have to write answers on your notebook. After reading that, we come to the grammatical portion, and that is subject and the verb. Now, if any sentence that only contains subject and a verb, it is the simplest form of the sentence, okay, because it is only having subject and the verb. Now example is given to you. The car arrived. Now car is a noun and arrived is a verb. Okay, what can we do now? That we can add adjective to the subject or noun, so it gives us more information about the subject. For example, if we say the large car, the large new car, the large new red car, now what are we doing? We are getting more information about the subject or the noun. So you have to do that in exercise A. You have to add adjective to the following sentences. For example, the first sentence is the man died. Now you can add the old man died, the poor man died, the rich man died. Now the word old, rich, poor, all these are called adjective, and they are adding or they are giving additional information about the subject or the noun. So in this sentence we can say the man is a subject and died is a verb. So when we add adjective, it adds more information to the subject or to the noun. So you can do this exercise easily. And on the next page, page number 20, you are given different types of adjective which we can use for people and animal, for things and for general. So lots of examples are given to you. After that, we can add adjective phrase, okay, to the simple sentence. For example, subject is the car. Adjective phrase can be with the broken window and the verb would be arrived. So in the first part we have just added single adjective, and in the second exercise we are going to add phrases to the sentences. Now here again there are different kinds of phrases. Some are made up of preposition and noun. So as we will read in the further chapter, we will see that there are different type of phrases. We can call them adjectival phrase, we can call prepositional phrase, we call noun phrase. So here are we discussing adjective phrase, and we can also add prepositional and noun phrase to these sentences. So exercise B would be you have to add adjective phrases to the sentences. Add the phrase above to these sentences so they make good sense. For example, the man spoke. Now we can get help from the phrases given above. We can say the man on the chair spoke, or we can say the man near the chair spoke. So we can get help from these phrases and we can add to these sentences. And an example is also given over there. The man in the tall hat spoke. Okay, so after reading this exercise, after reading this whole exercise, you would be able to solve all the exercises.